Hey family, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have soul food. Soul train.
Food. What we got first, lady?
But why are we having soul food today, my love?
Damn, because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. You already know what we do. So tell them what we got because I'm hungry.
So we did not prepare this, of course, because
Yes.
it's Fast Food Friday. So I have smothered pork chops, my husband's favorite.
All right, now you're not talking. I'm not talking today no more.
And then I have some collard greens, and I also have some potato salad, and underneath here I have some yellow rice. Now I wanted yellow rice because I wanted something different. What do you have, honey?
Tell them because I'm mad.
So Richie has pigeon peas and rice, that's what they call it. And then he also has salmon. He has some candied yams, some macaroni and cheese. And also we both have a little cornbread. Give me your cornbread.
Give me a cornbread. All right, family. So
we have not tasted any of this. This
Yes.
is a new spot in our area. We've been hearing it all over the radio. And we said we have to try it because
we support people.
yes.
So we have to go support it. We had all over the radio, so I'm like, let's go try it. But you know, once I got there, first they said she's gonna spite me. And I knew she was gonna get that. You feel what I'm saying? But it's all good. It's all good.
Okay.
Hold on. You didn't put the thing away. You dipped in the pork part?
This have
Turkey.
Yeah, this have turkey in it.
Let me taste that piece.
Let me give you some.
Give me some of that, please. Here, use my spoon.
Yeah.
Please. Let me taste that. Thank you very much. And then whatever you want from my side, you could always get. I'll make you taste the salmon first. Here. Don't put your fork over there.
Oh, please.
Don't do that. Hold on.
Please.
Let me get your piece. Damn, this is
This is a smothered pork chop.
Here.
Oh.
Okay. You can have more if you want. Okay, family. I know you could see it, but I'm gonna show you it more. Can I pick it up?
If it
fall, I'm gonna be pissed. But look, look at it. You know what I'm saying that's how it looks, you know. But you know what it is already. Good.
I'm gonna show mine because I'm tired of complaining I don't share. Take as much as you want, guys.
Take as much as you want today. Take as much as you want.
Okay, that's enough.
Yo, Tom. This candy and tastes good enough?
Yeah?
I'm gonna give him a thumbnail.
Without me?
When you show the food.
Let me see something.
Taste that. It tastes good, I ain't gonna lie, no cap.
I gotta eat it with the macaroni and cheese. Ooh.
This is seasoned. Okay. Alright. So family, I already showed you the food. I'm gonna give you a bite before I dig in because you know how I get when it's food time. Let me zoom in, because I'm bad at this. Here we go. Oh, there we. Yes, now you got it, Richie. I heard you.
Yeah, sometimes it's not good to put it too close. But it's not got the hiccups. Richie shared with you guys. I already shared. I'm gonna share it again.
I like. So you know I gotta put my grace because it win the race and always come in first place. How does it taste, first lady?
I'm still eating. I'm gonna
Still
see.
eating? Okay.
I'm not sure if I like the collard greens though.
No, I like the color green. I like it. Give me it. It tastes good. Collard green good. I like the back. Ooh.
It's hot.
Candy yam, hot money.
When I make smothered pork chops,
Tell me what happened when you just came in.
when we came in the house with the food, my daughter asked, "Oh, what did you guys get?" So Richie said, "Your mother got smothered pork chops. She didn't want to give me none." All to me and her was smothered pork chops. and thought Richie said, your mother's gonna make smothered pork chops. Timmy said, you making smothered pork chops? I said, no, Mama. It's some hot, man.
Hot. This salmon cook good.
I said, no, Mama. I ordered smothered pork chops. When I get smothered pork chops, when I make it,
Yeah.
again, without spice, it has to be spicy for me.
This is mine?
Yes. Let me,
Damn.
sorry, fam. Let me take a little bit of this pork
Give it to her.
and,
Put it aside.
yeah,
This is potato salad.
give it to me. She wants to taste it. The food, just keep on moving. You see, we're not used to.
In the plate.
Oh, I could just turn it that way.
What?
Why you didn't tell me that?
Turn what?
Like how you turned yours.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Some only greedy people think that way.
I know.
Want a piece more salmon?
This is good. But
Talk up.
I don't think I would order it again.
You want her again?
But it's good. But it's not what I expected.
Yeah.
I guess because when you make something a certain way and it tastes different than how you make it, it doesn't mean it's bad. It's just like, I need more pepper. I really want to try that fried conch though.
Yeah, the conch. The conch.
They had some fried conch. My gosh, that
the
looks so
conch.
good.
Family, I really wanted the fried chicken, but they didn't have it, and they didn't have baked chicken,
Yeah.
so I had to go my next option. You know, it was either that or we wasn't gonna get it. But see, first said he got that, and I can't even eat it because he said it's not what she expected.
I should have got fried conch instead. But I wanted something that was smothered. But I think I would go back. I would get fried conch with French fries, and
I'm gonna get a piece again.
love feed them,
Yeah,
man.
before they said I don't feed them.
Yeah, because they say you didn't feed them.
Yeah.
They know I'm not gonna feed them.
All right.
Guys, I fed you. I gave you a whole plate. You could dig as much as you wanted. French fries. I don't know, so on another side.
We'll try it next time.
Yeah.
We can try it next time. So family.
Very good though. Huh,
First
good
day,
flavor.
just hooked me up with a style, you know. For all y'all nosy people that's wondering, I got the pins still in my hair, you know. I gotta make my hair dry, but
Nobody noticed.
I'm telling you,
Why
I'm
tell me
chat
business?
like you.
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm gonna get a hookup, you know. I'm gonna shape up, look like somebody decent, now fresh style, look clean. Got y'all. I know y'all saying, damn, Richie look like a Rasta. I ain't a Rasta.
Can I have some of the hot
You want-
sauce?
You want me to get you the other one?
Oh, you mean the I think this would taste good on it. The other one that I like. Let me see. You guys know I don't put hot sauce on my food, but I feel like it'll
I'll get
taste.
the other one for you.
I feel like it'll taste good on it.
Want me to get the other one?
Maybe some 2 times spicy on this sucker.
Want me to get the other one for you? I'll wait.
Yeah, cause
You got some more?
I'm waiting.
I already know what time it is already. I know you already. I know you already.
It's good. I just want to order it again. That's all.
There.
That's all. Now the potato salad, that's good. I should have gotten the fried conch. Did that ever happen to you? You order something and while you're eating it, you just keep on saying, I should have gotten something else. I took the other piece. Really? Alright, let me get it 2 times. I took that piece of pork out because there was too much food and I thought you guys couldn't really see the yellow rice.
I don't know what that thing is.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that booty. Shake that
Well, I'm
booty.
gonna put my barbecue sauce. Cause I don't know my baby Ray's is that, son.
It's finished, I think.
Baby Ray done?
You eat it every day. I haven't been to Sam's in a while. Usually, when I go to Sam's, I'm always buying barbecue sauce. The way how rich you eat barbecue sauce and hot sauce, I have to constantly buy it.
Yep.
They come like a next bill.
Okay.
Okay.
You sure you don't want some of this? Okay.
Is there anything that you don't like?
What I don't like? You want me to be honest? The salmon could have some more seasoning on it.
Okay.
Let me be honest.
Yeah. This is the cornbread.
I just like it's a fried like that.
Yeah.
But I wish you never got that because I could have helped you eat it. And I already know you already. Yep, I already know First Lady. What you don't like?
I just need more pepper. I don't like whatever seasoning is in
Collard green?
collard greens. I'm not really.
For some reason I like
feeling
the
it.
collard green.
Yeah.
But you want a piece of more of my salmon? You sure?
I don't like the salmon either.
You not getting it?
Being honest.
To be honest.
The salmon 100% right. It's not any more seasoning. They should season it. They just do it in the grill like that.
You're just doing it good. You need some seasoning on it.
Need some seasoning on it.
See?
But
Overall, you're gonna try something else there when
yeah,
you go here.
I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get that fried conch with fries. And probably another. Hello. Excuse me. Quiet on the set. She don't have no manners. But we're gonna try that. I want to try the fried conch. That fried conch look good.
It look good.
It look good.
Yeah.
And we love conch.
Family, if y'all get seafood, when y'all get soul food, what y'all get? Let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know what y'all would get. That we could try it, you know. Let me know what I could try. Next time I go there, I really wanted the chicken though. They wanted to give me wings. I couldn't deal with the wings. I didn't want the wings. I wanted the fried chicken.
Yeah. It's slipping all over the place, huh?
Yeah, but it's alright.
It's alright.
But let me know what I could get and what First Lady could get because you know what I mean?
The macaroni and cheese and the yams and the rice is good. The salmon's a no-go for me. Which just says needs to be seasoning. The smothered pork chops, it's good. I just feel like it needs more pepper. I didn't like this. Cornbread is good. Let me tell you, I went to New York a long time ago. This is when my father was sick. And let me get a napkin. I went to New York to go visit him. And we ended up going to the soul food restaurant in the Bronx. In Mount Vernon.
Yeah.
In Mount Vernon. And I was like, I don't know what to order.
Yeah.
I said, okay. I would get, I think I got pork chops again.
You still getting the same thing.
My mother got pig's feet, okay? My sister, I think she got fried chicken or smothered chicken. My brother got jerk chicken. When I saw jerk chicken on the menu, that's why it's not good to just assume. I was like, jerk chicken? What do they know about jerk chicken?
Yeah. That was nice.
That jerk chicken was the best jerk chicken besides my husband's jerk chicken I've ever had in my life.
Family, the real talk, the way she's talking about it so much, she said every time we go to New York, she's gonna take me there. But what happened now?
The restaurant closed down.
She always says she's gonna take me there. You talk about that so much. That's
That
crazy.
jerk chicken was the best jerk chicken I ever had. And the smothered pig's feet, my God, it was good. It was so good, so good. The jerk chicken was so good. My sister and I didn't even eat our food. We basically ate my brother's food.
Wow.
And he was like, you guys can have it because I'm not really that hungry.
And then they closed.
And then they closed down. It was the best jerk chicken smothered pig's feet. I mean, I've never had pig's feet like that before, except in stew peas.
Wow.
But before I met you, or if my sister makes it. But that smothered pig's feet, oh.
It's good. I wouldn't know if it's good because remember I don't eat it.
You know what? I'll be honest.
But I'm going to.
I'll be honest. I don't want you to eat pork.
Why?
Because I need something to be able to fan you off.
Yeah, that's what you did today and look what happened.
No. I didn't do it because of you. I ordered because I wanted to try it.
I know my first lady. Yep.
It was okay.
Mine was good. Only thing they needed was to put some more seasoning on the
And the
salmon, but the rice was okay. I mean, the rice was good, and mac and cheese was excellent. I love mac and cheese.
Yeah. You can't go wrong with that.
And the cornbread is nice and soft. I could tell already.
How was the potato salad?
Potato salad was good too.
It was good.
But
I'm done eating food. I'm gonna eat my cornbread.
it's your cornbread.
Oh, shiggity.
It's soft. It's soft.
It is soft. That is good though.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's really soft.
Sweet. But yeah, I'll go back there and try something else. So let me know what we could try.
You know I usually ask this. What are your plans for the weekend? Same old, same old? Well,
What you got planned for, lady?
for the weekend, we have a wedding to go to. So we'll be going to the wedding.
No, we already married. Oh my gosh. I know they.
And we're already married. Whew. Wow, our anniversary is coming up. It's in May. Wow. Sunday's Easter Sunday. We're gonna be chilling.
We're gonna be chilling, no? Chillaxing. I might cook some food, you know? You might see a video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell them what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jerk some chicken on the grill and fry some fish. Okay? Something light.
You guys might see that video.
You might see that video.
I'm done.
Whoa!
No, not how to be like this.
I grab my hair. All right, family. I got one good one for y'all today. That's you put your home.
Get mine. Must. That cornbread was excellent.
That cornbread was nice as hell.
Excellent.
Soft. It's so soft that it's stuck in my fingernail.
I would drive there just to go buy the cornbread.
Ready, family? First lady, ready? All right. You cannot make someone understand a message they are not ready to receive. Family, listen up again. You cannot make someone understand a message they are not ready to receive. If you can relate, relate. You know what I'm saying? All these words of wisdom is true life stuff. You know what I'm saying? We shared with y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by and chit chat with us. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
That's what we do when you come to this channel. We chit chat, talk about anything. You feel what I'm saying? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, because I know it's a lot of new people out there bush watching and you're not coming and subscribing and hitting that button. If y'all coming to watch, just give us the button. Why y'all watching, not giving us the button? Real talk. We appreciate it. This is a greedy couple. That's First Lady, and this is Richie, aka. Go on.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.